Forex trading stands for foreign exchange, and it is a process of buying one currency and selling another currency. And these currencies are traded in pairs. And your job as a beginner trader is to predict whether one currency will rise or another currency will fall. Welcome back to this channel. I'm your friend Mose Wamkota. And on this channel, we break down trading strategies, currency pairs for beginners, and mostly risk management strategy. So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you cannot miss our future uploads. I started Forex trading in 2023. During that time, I think I lost around $3,000 because by just not knowing the basic foundation of Forex trading. I didn't know the platforms such as MetaTrader 5, TradingView, Webull, and even FPS. I was completely green. After taking 2 years of analyzing daily charts, at least up to now, I have a little bit of foundation of what Forex trading is. So if you are a beginner, follow along this video. This video will generally guide you. So it could be better if you take a book and write down some notes. These notes will generally help you. A friend of mine told me that he has tried many strategies, but none of them worked. So I called him and talked to him. We took almost 2 hours of talking. And these are what I told him. Number one, if you are a beginner, the first thing that you need to know is that you need to define your trading style. Are you a scalper? Are you a position trader, a swing trader, or a day trader? So after asking him this question, he told me he was just a trader. So as a beginner, I prefer you to choose day trading or scalping. Then you need also to have a goal. What's your goal? Yes, you're going to read these charts. What's your goal? What's your main goal after analyzing these charts? Your goal here is to take 1 to 2 trades where you are minimizing risks while maximizing your potential for gain. Now, this is a strategy that I personally have used and it has worked. The simplest thing that you can do is by focusing on the leading percentage. Then capture a small piece of it. Now, for example, if people are selling, try to focus on that small percentage. Then capture that small percentage. Then enter a trade as quickly as possible. So if you are a beginner, this ups and downs movement represents the buyers and sellers coming in, either traders or investors. This is my smartest strategy that I have been using over some times. Now, Mose, what if the market moves sideways? Easy. Wait for the reversal. Why? Because buyers are kicking sellers and sellers are kicking back the buyers. So whether you like it or not, the market will come down and it will move up, forming high highs and lower lows. The best thing that you can do as a beginner is to take some time and learn charts. Take 2 to 3 weeks, learn daily these charts. Once you master charts pattern, you will be on a safer side. Take some time to learn. You can learn from YouTube videos or you can download MetaTrader 5, then start learning these basics for free. Now let's take an example. Let's open EUR/USD chart and see the flow of the market. Here you will see the flow of the consistency, the high highs, the lower lows. Take some time. This kind of consistency will help you to determine your next move. Let's open our GPP stroke USB chart and see. Now, if you want to buy, this is a place where you can buy. First, identify where the market is going. Then you can buy at this point here. This is where you can buy. And if you are selling, you can wait for the market to move upward in your favor. Then you can sell at this point. And make sure to place your stop loss as long as prices are moving in your favor. These things are very easy, too much easy, not complicated, if you have a trading psychology. So whether the price will move up or will come down, this strategy works for everything. Until now, I think you have basics. As a beginner, you need to have tools and platforms where you'll be testing these strategies. Now, the first platform that I recommend to you to have is TradingView. TradingView is trusted by millions of traders worldwide. Now, if you want to download this platform, you can head over to tradingview.com, download this platform, then sign up with your email address. And you can start with the free version. It offers great options. Choosing the right currency pairs can make the difference. Currency pairs such as AUR/USD is most traded, and it is a great starting point, meaning high trading volume. So high trading volume keeps it stable. Another currency pair that you should look at is USD/JPY. It has relatively low volatility, which makes it more stable and easy to predict. Another currency pair that you should focus on is GBP/USD. Why? It is fairly liquid and it offers predictable trends based on the US and UK economic news. So Mose, what are the best times to trade Forex? Is during the overlaps of the major global trading sessions, when the market has the highest liquidity and volatility, offering the most trading opportunities. The most active periods is the overlap between London and New York session. That is 8:30 a.m. and 12 p.m. EST, or 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. UTC. So Mose, what are the best days to do Forex trading? I did a little research and found out that the best days to do Forex is on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Here, activities tends to be high. Now let's talk a little bit about the mistake that I personally used to do before I started learning Forex trading. Number one is that I was over trading. This is one of the biggest traps traders fall into. It is easy to get caught up into the excitement of the markets, placing a trade after a trade without a clear strategy. This impulsive trading usually leads to losses without a clear plan. Your trading plan is essential to ensure that your trades are strategic, not random. It is your roadmap to staying focused with clear entry and exit points, risk management, and defined goals. There is also another mistake of ignoring risk management, a mistake that even seasoned traders makes. A good risk management means protecting your capital with techniques such as stop loss and position sizing. It is easy to think you can skip this, but in long run, risk management is what separates profitable traders from the rest. Another mistake is emotional decision making, allowing feelings like fear and greed to guide your trades. This is definitely a recipe of disaster. Now first, set realistic goals. The expectation. Realistic goals helps you get motivated, and then you will avoid chasing impossible. Define what you want from trading. whether it is consistent income, long-term gain, or skill building. This will give you a sense of direction. And avoid impulsive trades. Trading psychology is another essential aspect of trading success. Techniques like mindfulness, stress management can help you maintain focus and calmness. Thanks for watching. If you find this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Till the next time, God bless you. Bye.